so I was trying to make some monitor videos and do a bunch of feeding videos with them, and they were literally not eating anything. So that means that Darth and Gomer get some leftover octopus. I did cut them in half because, well, the monitors couldn't eat it, so I just kept on cutting smaller and smaller. But I don't think this size will be an issue with Darth. Okay, let's see. Are you ready? You ready? Oh, okay. Oh my god! Let's go! I'm going! Let's go! Darn! Come on, I can't go where you want! You want? So it went better than the monitors. Good for us in that way. Okay, and that's the video.